this Sprinter is having a problem with the front left ABS sensor, and it's a brand new sensor that's been fitted already. So took it out, and I can see a bit of gunk in there. You can see that little, just focused on it. I think that may be the issue. So we'll clean the inside of this out a bit, and then hopefully that will solve our issue. So after filing down the top layer, cleaning out the inside, and then spraying some contact cleaner right in there, because when I was turning the disc I could see the metal shards collected on the wheel bearing magnets. So some of this contact cleaner, and whilst turning this, freed it up and blew it all out. So now it's nice and clean, there's no gunk on there. So we clean this up a bit as well, and then refit this and see if that helped. So after clearing the coats and taking the car for a test drive, there's no more ABS or ESP lights, and whilst driving it's also now showing the actual value, whether or not it's going forward or backward. Well, and it's all the values are coming up for all the sensors now. So easy as that.